Hi everyone, so today I'll be reviewing Nissan Skyline GTR 35. So this one is I bought from Shopee. It is directly imported overseas. As you can see, the name is in Chinese. Collection model, and it's a scale of 1 to 36. As read here, you can open the door and it's retractable. So I personally felt that this is a replica of RMZ City, and then it is I picked the matte color of this GTR 35. It says made in China here. Hua Da Wei. So let's start unboxing. So it is held up by a screw. So as you can see here, the details of it is top notch. I'll put a link down in the description below, and it's rather fairly affordable. And I would say the color is on point. The matte feels premium. The matte color feels premium and is very up to details. Look at that door, look at that gear knob. And I can hardly find some imperfection. And on the below, it's written RMZ City. So I'm not sure this is the official merchandise, but judging from the quality, I think it's a very good quality. Thank you for watching.